Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. So today I want to talk about accessorizing your hair. I've been seeing a lot of ribbons and scarves. Something I'm always loving right now is if you go to a fabric store, you can find some pendants that are really typically for clothes, but they have a loop that you can sometimes use for an open face pin. Sometimes you can throw them in your hair. Like there was one I tried with today. I think I will put that in this video. I just remember to put it here so that you can see how it looks so good for me. Like it was making me look so cool and giving me that unconventional look. So sometimes it's good to use those simple accessories on your hair, and it turns out to give you those classic look for those everyday styling. Something simple like maybe the half up or half that never goes down out of style, along with the easy wash and go. Sometimes they will really have add those beauties or add those styles to your natural hair, or maybe attract eyes or attention to your hair. So you can see for both natural textured hair and wavy and curly hair types, it's always good to use some good product. Make sure the product you use, like the meal and the Kings and Coils, the Carol's Daughter, they have this natural ingredients like the aloe vera, honey, sometimes the glycerin, or those carrier oils, just like the sweet almond oil, the coconut oil, or let's say the jojoba oil. These ingredients really have those fatty acids and vitamins that keep those strands thriving while retaining your natural hair and length. So just always make the hunt easier, because here in those styles we've rounded up some beautiful haircut and products than those simple accessories that will always make you to embrace your natural hair texture, from the hair masks and leave-in conditioner to the hair bands and scarves. So let me just let you guys to please just watch this video and some of my favorite picks I can recommend for anyone to try. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. You can order this online to Amazon, to AliExpress. These are the places you can order those good products, or check them in your local shops around, or any barber shop, because this will always help to keep your hair in top shape, and restore those moisture and strengthen your strands. I absolutely love them because they are incredibly moisturizing and hydrating, while also protecting your hair against breakage. So let me let you guys to please watch this video to the end, and don't forget the honey that is infused in the mask always add those shine and moisture. I appreciate you guys, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay up to Wendy's Styles. See you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Oh, no, no. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanyana Bakubaraba.
SublimeGospel.com.
I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Ayadala mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh yeah, 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 yo. Oh my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, 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 le, le, le. Oh.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach your breath of life. That's how I got my life. That's how you change my world. Just breathe your name upon me. Just breathe your name upon me.